In the box, JBuds Air icon comes with earbuds, charging case, 3 sets of gel cushion tips, 1 set of cloud foam tips, and 2 pairs of cush fins. First time setup. Press and hold both touch sensors for 3 seconds to turn them on. The left and right earbud will blink blue and white, indicating they are ready to pair to your device. Turn on Bluetooth on your device and select JLab JBuds Air icon. A voice prompt saying Bluetooth connected, followed by slow blinking white lights on both earbuds will indicate that you are connected. When the charging case door is opened, the earbuds will auto power on and now automatically reconnect to your device. The earbuds can be used independently. When the case is opened, the earbuds auto-connect, so simply take either earbud out from the charging case and they are ready to use. To add a new or additional Bluetooth device, turn off Bluetooth from any previously connected device, open the charging case and the earbuds will automatically enter Bluetooth pairing, turn on Bluetooth from the new device, select JLab JBuds Air icon on the new device. Touch controls. On the left earbud touch sensor, tap once for volume down, double tap for your digital assistant, press and hold 1 second to backtrack a song. On the right earbud touch sensor, tap once for volume up, double tap to play and pause, press and hold 1 second to track forward. On either earbud, you can single tap to answer a call, double tap to hang up while on the phone, press and hold 1 second to reject incoming calls, and triple tap to cycle through the EQ settings, JLab Signature, Balanced, and Bass Boost. To apply the cush fins, look for the small divot and align it with the bottom of the earbud. The JBuds Air icon come with a small and a large cush fin so you can find the perfect fit for each ear. Make sure the cush fins are not covering the microphone hole or the charging pins. Charging. Placing the earbuds in the charging case will start charging them, and closing the charging door will power them off and disconnect them from your Bluetooth device. Make sure you place the left and right earbud with their corresponding charging port. The earbuds turn off automatically when placed in the charging case and the charging door is closed, but to turn them off without it, enter your Bluetooth settings and disconnect the JBuds Air icon. The earbuds will power off after 3 minutes. To charge the case, use the integrated USB cable and connect it to a computer or a USB 5V 1A charging adapter. It is crucial that you use a maximum 5V 1A adapter. Lights on the case pulse white when charging and turn solid white when fully charged. Download the JLab Audio app and use the optional burn-in tool to improve sound quality